In this video, we will cover how to find clients hit by storms using the Impacted Assets feature in the mobile app. Impacted Assets helps you see which customers or prospects were hit by hail, wind, or tornadoes, so you can reach out quickly, schedule inspections, and help with claim support. Instead of starting from scratch after a storm, you are starting with the property owners you already have a relationship with. Before you can pull an impacted asset list, you need clients, known as assets, inside HailTrace. You can create assets while door knocking or doing inspections. You can also upload a full customer list from your CRM using a CSV file. For help with that, check out our training video on uploading assets. Next, make sure your notifications are turned on. This way, you can get alerted as soon as one of your assets is hit by a storm. To set this up, select More Page on the right-hand side. Next, select the Settings tab. And select the Notifications tab. Here, you will find your impacted asset notification settings. You can select to get alerted by email or through the mobile app. Note, to receive a downloadable asset list from these notifications, you must have either the Advanced Asset Alert user or Advanced Asset Alert admin role. There are a few ways to pull an impacted asset list. You can pull a list from an entire day of storms, from a specific area of a storm, or from a selected time frame such as this week, this month, or this year. Note, for the first two methods, you will need the Asset Admin or HailTrace admin roles. The first way to pull an impacted asset list is from an entire day of storms. Start by selecting the navigation panel. Next, find a weather event. You can use map filters to refine your search by a specific area or date range. Once you find the weather event, select the Action button next to the event date. Next, tap Download Impact Assets. Tap Request List. To download your list, select the Lead List panel. Find the impacted asset list, and then tap Download to start reaching out to those property owners. The second way to find an impacted asset list is from a specific area of a storm. This is especially helpful when focusing on individual neighborhoods or storms. Start by tapping the navigation panel. Tap the Lead List panel. Tap Create Lead List. You can generate an asset lead list in 3 different ways: from a custom area, a campaign area, or a weather layer. For this video, we will walk through pulling an impacted asset list from a custom area. To learn how to pull a list from all 3 options, watch the longer video on lead lists. First, tap Create a Lead List from Custom Area. Tap at least 3 points on the map to outline the area you want to pull a list. Use the buttons on the right-hand side to undo a tap, start over, or hide the map. Finally, tap the first point to complete the selected area. Tap Confirm. Next, choose Asset as the type of lead list. Confirm that you understand you are responsible for complying with the federal Do Not Call registry. Tap Confirm to request a lead list. Your impacted asset list will show up here and may take several minutes to generate. Once your list is ready, tap Download to save the file and begin contacting property owners. The final way to pull an impacted asset list is from a selected time frame with asset filters. Rather than just focusing on one storm, this method can help locate all prospects or past customers impacted over a certain week or month. First, select the Asset page. Here you can filter your impacted asset list by hail size, wind speed, tornado EF ranking, or a custom date range. For example, you could find every customer hit this month by hail that was 1.5 inches or larger. First, select the Filters button. Here, you can use weather filters for hail, wind, and tornadoes. To find assets impacted during a certain time frame, select Last Meteorologist Hail Impact Date. Then select the calendar field. Next, select your date range, such as this month, and select Set Date Range. Then tap Apply. Tap the X to close asset filters. Now you will see a list of assets that were impacted by hail within the date range you selected. From here, you can start calling clients, setting inspections, and checking for storm damage. Go back to the Filters button to add additional filters. For example, you can add a minimum hail size to focus on the best opportunities first. If you have the Asset Admin or HailTrace Admin role, you can also export the asset list outside of HailTrace. This is useful if you want to send a blast email, create mailers, or share the list with your team. That is how you pull a list of impacted assets to see which customers were hit by a storm, reach out quickly, and start scheduling inspections.